on suppon à Tim, Turlived à Carpenter en Iwif. Mort en Anything, Te Wanted à Shield of Seron. Allons last, Serwish Camteru, Te Wif Wagwan to Ava Baby. From te second floor ruin do of Sersmalouse, Te Wif cool de Saint-Haute Garden ex d'or. Suche fine fraîche row of plan flower terveran. Buno andare to go over te garden wall tous ten up close. Forte garden belonget to a witch. On that Wif wa looking down at garden from her window. Of fresh looking vertos big green of lettuce. Iti just wine to yat. Set Wif to her husband. You must go en jet me somme. Buve cano. Set Carpenter. You know avel aido tat garden belong to the witch. WHO live next door. Ifi cano have ta lettuce, set Wif, iwino yatanitinia al. Ta lettuce looks so good. Set Wif. Iti just wine to yat. Wa kult Carpenter do? Lat ta night climbed of it garden wall. With very key steps token green of lettuce. With more key steps au back of it garden wall. Iwif atup te lettuce right away. But yatinia te lettuce only mother ou mort. If she could no have more lettuce, she said, te roi nothing she would yat all. So the next night, te Carpenter climbed back of it garden wall. Piqued upon more rid of lettuce. À la once Kamaig, Lou, voice. Stop. What do you think you are doing? I'm jetting lettuce for me Wif, said Carpenter. À la once Kamaig, Lou voice. You tief. Yelled witch. You will pay 40. Please. Said Carpenter. Me Wif I want to have a baby. Je saw your lettuce en wanted it so very much. We should carabuta? Shouted witch. I will do anything. Said Carpenter. To, maybe can be there so meeting. You say you will do anything? Said witch. I said. You say you will do anything? Said witch. Fine. Said witch. Turtledell. Go ahead, take all the lettuce you want. Your wife will have a baby girl. En Welsh the baby will be mine. What? Said Carpenter. You'll never agree to that. You already did. Said witch. En cheloguet dans evil log. Toe. Soon the wife had a baby girl, just at witch had said. To keep the baby safe from the witch. The Carpenter built a tall toe deep into wood. Built starta led up to a room at very top, a room with a window. I Wif took staying with the baby. But witch had a magic ball. The ball showed her just where the baby was, at the top room of the toe. On the day when the Carpenter and I Wif were both into house, she cast a spell over both of them. They fell into a deep sleep. En a once, the witch shouted the toe. At the top room, the witch said to the baby, I will call you Rapunzel. For it name of the lettuce tabrooks you tomb. No Rapunzel, you are mine. But the witch did not know how to take care of a baby. Rapunzel grey into a shield, and the witch did not even know how to cure her. The girl blonde hair grey longée every day. All the witch could do keep the she looked in the room at the very top of the toe. She told the girl that the world was a very bad place. Tawa wish could not leave the toe. No Rapunzel, you are mine. Ash grey up, many team Rapunzel said to the witch, try not in her form to do. We must stay in the toe all the time. And the witch shouted back, I already told you so many time. The world is a very bad place. No go comb your rambuquier. Buit rally so bad out ter. Some team here people logging down below, Rapunzel would say some team. Assustim te witch uldiel, omanitim do yavtorepea miself. Don listen to anything you sorry out te vorldimush vors tan you think. You will stay in Tito et forever, Rapunzel. So jet uzet it. On R12 th birthday, Rapunzel c'est tout witch, I dono carway you say anymore. I am so tired of staying alone alt team. When you are gone, I will ship away at door. I will make all. I will run don't stare outside, no matter what you say. Tinkagin. Cette witch. Witer poe, chemin de halt sterin to et faldon. Chemin de te door close up. Not roi no way for Rapunzel to escape. Singing voice. Bitten, Rapunzel erad gron very long. On se te stervergon, when it was team fort witch to visier in te toe. Should call from outside, Rapunzel. Led on your hair. Rapunzel will throw her long blonde bread out of the window. Which will grab hold of her early carop. Anti-hot which climbed up the toy wall to the window in Rapunzel room. 5 more long year hobby. Poor Rapunzel. Shockness must stay in the room. Al could do what to sing a sad song out of the window. Some team beer at très top will join in her song. Tench will fait la bite bête. Bunomush. Forur, je sens ça de son out the window. On a day, a prince wariding truth wood. Dire a beautiful singing voice. O right coming from? Road closer tout soon. A last cam tout toe. Tiod said, looking around the toe wall. Trino door at bottom. Yet someone singing at very top. Od anion jet in or out of the. Ede, te prince cam back tout toe. Te roi sometinia buta voice tapulling back. WHO what you on oma singing at top. Cool DVMR. On the went prince rod up so en oldo oma standing below toe. Jumped bezin a tre tuid. Itwa a witch. Tirer calaout, Rapunzel. Led on your hair. Allons blond bread watron out from a window at very top. Te oldo oma en grabed on tot bread. En climbed wall to the window at the top of the toe. Ah. Cette prince. So taio itidon. Wetted. After a bit, the bread watron from the window again. Which climbed back down the toe wall. Ten chelet. The prince wetted. Stepped up to the toe. In a voice that sounded a much like the witch could call out, Rapunzel. Led on your hair. In a moment, the Sam long blonde bread came out of the window. It worked. Tout the prince. Climbed up the wall of the toe. Hear the witch call out, Rapunzel. Led on your hair. You cambe sur ta Rapunzel ou a very surprise tout cette prince climbant air window. Je had never seen a person up close before tante witch, en amant. WHO are you? Je said in fear. Don't worry. Cette prince. I am afrien. Bui don't know you, said Rapunzel. If I know you, said prince. I have hear you sing song from upper day after day. I love your voice. And I love it when the beer sing with you, too. I like ta, too, said Rapunzel. It mab ton litin like, since I must stay in Tissamol toe, day after day, me all life long. Rapunzel told the prince about the witch. Je told him ta since the world was such a very bad place, je must always stay in the toy room. Don't worry, said the prince. I am afrien. But the world in a bad HC. Said the prince. Je told Rapunzel à Boufloer en festival, gaiement gardine. Je told her à Bou pupilles en pudle. Strawberry en secret. Mani Robi. À last, rapper Zel said must go, to which Malcolm back en itim. Very well, said Prince. We will be back tomorrow. Rapper Zel traer bread out the window, and Prince climbed down. The next day, the Prince climbed back up to rapper Zel room. Said, I have a surprise for you. That brought strawberry for her. Ash tasted a strawberry rapper Zel too, no ik no tawa iwa told in no tru. The world can be very fine place. I must get out of Tito e as soon as I can. Buto. Plan to escape. On a day, the Prince said, if only you could get out of Tito e. I can come and go be climbing up to all be holding onto your bread. Buttons I am done, how can you get done, to? Ik no. Said rapper Zel. Bring me a ball of silk et you come. I can vive to silk to à la day. Silk fold up so small to which show on sit. When to la day gelon en ulturi at ground, the will bot be able to climb out of her. Tight. Said Prince. Ten moved closet to rapper Zel. The will bot be free. When the are out in the world, will you marry him? I, said rapper Zel, he will. Every day after that, the Prince brought a ball of silk to rapper Zel. Over time, je vivais silk to allons la day. On rapper Zel 18 th birthday which spoke to her in a sharp voice. Before you open your mouth titim, said the witch, Knotty. I am sick and tired of hearing you talk about alone you are in to alt team. It is a go to change, rapper Zel. Forever. En went la day long en nug, the will bot be able to climb out of her. WHO say alone in the room alt team? Said rapper Zel. What? Said the witch. WHO a been up with you? No. Said rapper Zel a once, in fear. Iman, no one be you. Which did no believe her. She started to look every in the room for something to prove that someone else had been there. Soon she found la day. She held it into her. She yelled, white manning of tea? Mi friend Prince Brook me te silk, said rapper Zel. You will be ce petit prince again. Yelled the witch. She took out a knife. Snap, en rapper Zel lovely bread wake of. Holding the bread in on, the witch logged en heavy log. With a stroke of her magic, rapper Zel cast away to a faraway desert. Then the witch stayed in the toy room. She kneta soon the prince would come back. The last climb. Which did not have too well on. Soon the prince was calling at the bottom of the toy, in a voice that was supposed to sound like her own. Rapper Zel, lay down your hair. So Taio did it. Took the witch. Holding tightly to one of rapper Zel bread, she threw the bread out the window. The prince took hold and climbed up. When go to the window, was much surprised to see the witch. Hurry rapper Zel? Call out. What have you done with her? You will lose your rapper Zel again. Yelled the witch. Which pushed the prince so hard lost hold of the window. Don, fell. The prince landed on some bush below. Ta help with the fall, but bush at sharp turn. Some of the torn were to ye. The prince was blind. Desert. For 2 years the poor blind prince wandered the world, looking for rapper Zel. From morning to night call for her, but it was no use. At last, reached a desert. On a day, her beautiful voice singing. Oh, tube. Ik not a voice. It was the rapper Zel. Au closer en closer toute voice kne sauvel. Mi prince. Call rapper Zel when she saw him. The two of them get tight. Two tears of joy fell into the of the prince. à la once, cool de Saguin. En Wapenenex, vel, im sur Yukangez. Te prince en rappeur zel au bac toute kingdom au te prince lived. Tèvre marié à Sunate could. Te prince became king of the land en rappeur zel became king. Te tuo of them lived apili et vft.